Welcome to Asim Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Python example that demonstrates how to convert a data frame to JSON with nested arrays. Sample data for the data frame. Each person's hobbies are represented as a list. Create a data frame from the sample data. Print the original data frame. Convert the data frame to JSON format with nested arrays. Using orient equals records to create a list of dictionaries for each row. Print the resulting JSON string. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting us.